Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about how to create the project using Keil software. So first of all, we need to install the Keil software. So this is the Keil folder. So here you can see this is the exe file. So when you double click it, so automatically this will be installed in any directory. So already I have installed the Keil software ahead. So once you have installed, you will get this type of shortcut on the desktop. So you have to double click it. So once you double click it, so here you can see this is the project window here. So if you want to close it, you can close this by going into project, close project. So since we have to create a new project, we have to go to the project, new vision project. You have to click that. So once you click that, it will ask for the location where you want to create the project. So for now, I'm going to choose the desktop, and in the desktop, I'm creating the new folder. So it is always better to create a new folder for any project. So I'm creating the project name as LED. So once you create the project, given the project name, go to that project folder, then give the project name. For example, I'm giving here LED Blink. So LED Blink is my project name. So once I click save, then you will be given a pop-up. So here you have to select the target device. So target device is the device for which we are going to write the program. Okay, for which we are going to write the program and dump the hex file. So here you can see there are multiple companies are there. So what we'll do is we'll go to Atmel. In Atmel, we'll choose 8089C51. So why we are choosing this is the standard basic 8051 architecture. So here you can see there are 2 timers, 32 IO lines, 6 interrupt sources, 1 serial port, 4 kilobytes of flash memory, and 128 bytes of ROM. So once you choose this, you click OK. Then it is asking for the startup.a51, like it is the default program, sample program file. So we'll say no. So here you can see now one project is created, target 1. So what is the next step is we have to create one new file. So you can go to file and click new. So why this file is, we want to write one program, right? So in order to write the program, so you will write one, create one file. So here you can write your code like hash include reg51.h. So generally this reg51.h is the default header file which we have to include whenever we are going to control any 8051 microcontroller. Then suppose now we have to save it. So I am saving it in the same folder, and I am giving the same name. You can give some other name also, but it is preferable to give the same name. But here we have to give the extension also. Since we are writing the code in the C language, we'll use ledblink.c extension. Suppose if you want to write in the assembly, then you can write .asm or .a is also fine. So when I'm saving it, so now the ledblink.c file is saved, but here you can observe it is not yet added to the project file. So here what we have to do is we have to right click on the source group 1. We have to go to select add files to group source group 1. So once you click it, it will open the location there. This is the file which you have already created just now. So you have to add it. So once you add it, here you can observe now it is added. So means now you have created a project, you have created one file, C file, and you have added it to the project. So next what we have to do is we have to write the code completely. So here for easy purpose, I am writing some simple delay code. So here I am giving only a single for loop. This is for a sample purpose only. So here I am creating one small delay for I equal to 0, I less than 255, 56, I plus. Then we are having one main function. So now in main we are having one infinite loop. So for any embedded code, this infinite while one loop is necessary. So here what I am doing is p1 equal to 0x00, 0x00. Then I am calling this ms delay. Then again I am making port 1 as 0x ff. Then now I am calling ms delay. So whatever the code you want to write, here you can write. So this line indicates that you are making p1 equal to 0, and here you are making p1 equal to 255. So this means that LEDs are off, and this means LEDs are on. So means I have connected the LEDs to the port 1, 8 LEDs. So this line indicates all the LEDs are off, and this line indicates all the LEDs are on, and we have given some delay of 255 machine cycle. Okay, so in this way you can write any code. Once you save it, then we have to go to options for target. So in this options for target, we have to choose the crystal oscillator value. So there is a range of value. So depending on the crystal value, you can choose. You can keep this by default also if you want for just checking purpose. Else you have to check the what's exactly the crystal is connected in the hardware, whatever you are using. So by default the value is 11.0592 megahertz. This is actually used. Then in output you have to tick mark this, create hex file. Why this is necessary is actually we want to generate the hex file also, because that is the hex file we are going to burn into the microcontroller. So once you do these changes, you click OK. Then we have to build the target. So here build target you have to do. So here you can see target not created, it came. So we have to check why this error is coming. Yeah, here it is showing that error I undefined. Yeah, so here we forgot to define the I. So unsigned int I. So I variable we are using, but we have forgot to define it. So unsigned int I have used. So now I am again building it. So go to project, rebuild all targets. So now here you can see the compiling has done, the linking has done, the programs I just mentioned here, and here you can see creating hex file from LED blink. So now you can see, observe this. So this is the LED folder we have created. So here you can see the hex file is created. So this is the procedure how you are going to use the Keil software to create a project and write the code and create the hex file. Thank you.